In this video, let me show you how to change inputs on your TV. So there's two different ways on how this can be done. One is using the remote control, and the other way is using a button located on the back of your TV or sometimes located under the TV itself. Let me demonstrate these two options. So one of the way is actually using the power button of the TV. Sometimes it's located under, sometimes it's located on the back, like on this model. The power button is right over here, hidden on that corner. If I press that button once, I'll have this menu appearing on the left side where you can see all your HDMI ports there. Let me press again on it. Under HDMI 3, it has changed the name from HDMI 3 to Blu-ray player because it has recognized I have a Blu-ray player. If you have an Xbox, it may say Xbox there. So to select that, press again until you highlight the port you want and then stop touching the button, and the TV will switch to HDMI 3 or whatever. Now, what you can do also is using the remote control here, press the home button, and then over here where all your apps are located, you can go down and select your HDMI port. You see HDMI 1, 2, and this is my third HDMI. And this is how you select your HDMI device you have connected. Here you go. Now it's playing. To switch to another one, same thing, press the home button and select HDMI 1 then. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.